Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate stack movement report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Warehouse module. Here, we have to select the Report WMS menu under the Warehouse module. Now, we have to select the stack movement report under the Report WMS menu. On the stack movement report page, we have to select the date range. And we have to select the warehouse name in the warehouse column. Then we have to click the submit button. Now the stock movement report details will be displayed on the screen. If you need to download this report, just click the options menu. Then we have to click the download button to download this report. This is how to generate stack movement report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.